Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. Good day, and you're welcome once again to class. Today we shall be continuing in our discussion on polygon. And here we have these lovely questions. 3 angles of a nonagon are equal, and the sum of the 6 other angles is 110. We have to calculate the sides of one of the equal angles. Now, the key word here is nonagon. Nonagon means a polygon with 9 sides. So we need to first of all find out the sum of the total angles in a nonagon using this formula. The number of sides, like we said, nonagon means 9 sides, so it's minus 2. So, and 9 minus 2 will give us 7. And if you multiply 180 by 7, you are going to get 1260. We were told that 3 angles of a nonagon are equal. So let us say let equal angles be x. So if 3 of the angles are equal, so that means we have x in 3 places. So that is 3x for the 3 angles. Then the 6 other angles, the sum of the 6 other angles is what? 1160. So it means that if I add up my 3 angles and this one, I should get this as a total. Therefore, total angles equals to what? My 3x plus this 110 degrees. Sum of my total angles is 1260 degrees. So this is 3x, this is 1110. If I bring this here, I will have 1260 minus 1110 equals to 3x. So let me write my 3x here. 1260 minus 1110 gives us 150 degrees. So if I divide both sides by 3 will cancel 3. 3 goes in 150 is 50. Therefore, x is equals to 50 degrees. So that means that what? The sides of the equal angles are 50 degrees each. Let's look at the second question. A regular polygon of 2 in bracket 2k plus 1 side has 140 degree as the side of each interior angle. We have to find the value of k. We know that our interior angle is given by. So since each side of the interior angle is 140 degrees, that is 140 degrees. And we are told that the regular polygon has 2k plus 1 side. So our n is this whole value of 2k plus 1. Then this is minus 2. N again is 2k plus 1. So let's go. Simplifying what is in the bracket, you have 2k. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1 all over 2k plus 1. Then let us cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have 140 open bracket 2k plus 1 to be equals to 180 2k minus 1. So opening this part, 2k times 140 is 280k plus 140 degrees equal to 180 times 2 is 360k minus 180 degrees. So at this point, we'll collect like term. So I'll push this here and bring this here. So doing that, if I bring 180 here, 180 is negative, so it becomes positive, then plus 140, then this is 360k. If I move this here, it becomes negative 280k. So 360k minus 280 gives us 80k. And if we add 180 to 140, we are going to get 320. Then, in order for us to arrive at our value for k, let's divide both sides by 80. Divide here by 80. 80 here cancels 80. 0 will cancel 0. And 8 can go here how many times? 4. That means our value for k is 4. We are asked to find k, and we've obtained the value for k to be 4. That is the solution to this second question. We are going to look at 2 other questions. What is the size of an exterior angle of a regular pentagon? Now, the big question is, what is a pentagon? A pentagon is simply a polygon with 5 sides. So we state here that pentagon is equals to 5. And this 5 is the same as our n. Therefore, what is the size of an exterior angle? Therefore, each exterior angle will be calculated by saying 360 degrees divided by n. And if we divide 360 by 5, we will get that one of the sides is what? 72 degrees. That is the solution. Now let's look at the 4th question. It says, in a given regular polygon, the ratio of the exterior angle to the interior angle is 1:3. How many sides has the polygon? In this particular question, number 4, we are given that the exterior angle to the interior angle is 1:3. So I'm going to say exterior angle over interior angle, which is 1:3. Is still the same thing. We know that the exterior angle, to find one exterior angle, is to say 360 degrees divided by n. That is for the exterior angle. Then to find one of the angle of the interior angle is to say 180 degrees, n minus 2, everything over n. Therefore, we can simplify this further by saying 1/3 equal to, then you write the numerator, and the numerator is a fraction, 360 degrees over n. This is division. When it change to multiplication, the numerator here becomes denominator becomes numerator. This becomes n over 180, open bracket, n minus 2. So n will cancel n. So I'm left with 1/3 equal to 360 over 180, open bracket, n minus 2. So if you cross multiply, now this, everything here times 1 becomes everything here. So you have 180, open bracket, n minus 2. Then you multiply 3 times 360, you get 1080. So let's expand this bracket. If you multiply this, you have 180n minus 180 times 2 is 360 equals to 1080 degrees. So if you move this to this side, it becomes 180n equals to 1080 plus 360, all in degrees. So if you add 1080 to 360, we are going to get 1440. Now, in order for us to get the value for n, we are going to divide each side by 180 by 180. 180 here cancels 180. 180 goes in 1440 will give us 8. So therefore, our n is equals to 8. Therefore, the number of sides of that polygon is 8 sides. And when a polygon has 8 sides, it's called an octagon. Octagon means 8. This is Prince Maths Clinic. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get more exciting videos. Bye for now.